Alicia.
How are you?
Good, how are you? Do you want to come in?
Yes, I would love to.
Sweet. Here, I'll give you... Okay. You're the grand tour.
Awesome.
So this is our sink.
Okay.
And all of our products. This really great IKEA shelf holds all of your necessities.
Of course, we have our little
Our
lanyard.
lanyards.
Awesome.
A couple trash bins, because you know
We're
We're
trash.
kind of messy. We got some shower necessities everyone needs. What's behind this?
Oh, what is
Cute curtain. I don't-
this?
Is it like a shower?
I think so.
It's not.
What?
It's a closet.
Closet tour?
Yep. Let's go.
Let's go. And our best thing of this, a step
stool.
A step stool.
Because we're 5 feet tall.
We are short as fuck.
Now we can
Ooh,
reach them
yes,
with ease.
we love that. Okay, and then
What's here? Ooh, here are my bras.
ooh, two pair.
Had to bring them.
Those the ones I helped pay for?
Hell yeah, she contributed $5.
The only person who
Only
did.
person who really let me follow my dreams.
Of course.
What do you want to see next?
I don't know, maybe the bed area?
Yes, I love that
Where
area.
is that?
It's gonna be right here. Next to our coffee machine and our cute little plate.
Cool.
And look at how cozy these look. Don't you just want to like take a nap in them or something? I don't know.
Are we the only dorm who's aesthetically pleasing as this with matching bedding?
Yeah, for sure.
Basically.
Always will be. And then, oh, let's see how nicely set up
Here's
his desk is. Shout out to my roommate. Wow,
Hey.
great job.
Thank you. Decided not to put textbooks up there because I don't have them yet. Because I plan very well.
We need to get textbooks when the classes don't start for like 3 days.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying.
Here's our message board. You know, just classic Alicia and Sam because
That's who lives
us.
here.
That's who lives here and no one else. Our little bottles, we're
Yes.
gonna put little flowers in them and it's gonna look cute.
We'll link everything that we got down below in the description box. May or may not happen.
Everything.
Everything.
Honestly, one of my personal faves, just a tree full of coffee mugs.
Yes.
Like
Tree full of 3 coffee mugs.
it's looking a little slim.
It's okay.
It'll full in out.
Yes, we got some fun ones on there.
They're
Quality over quantity. That's what I say. Okay, what is this area?
This is my messy desk area.
That's all right. We got a really great speaker system that I
Guess
won.
how much it cost? $0.
Free.
Here are my books.
Yuck.
Wow, that's a lot of books.
the
That's like
boring-
$400 worth of books.
The boring part of college.
We hate that. And you know, my signature water bottle,
Cute.
you know, it's
Do you
custom.
drink out of it?
Yeah, I do. Do you want to see?
Yeah. Love
It's
it.
so good. Oh, I am like really thirsty. I should probably go in the fridge and the really empty fridge.
We're going grocery shopping tonight. Don't worry, guys.
And, you know, nice red microwave because Cardinal Pride, right?
Right? Wait, what's on the fridge?
Oh, just like some magnets. I think they're in Spanish.
We got some fun words and sentences. Focus. Got that one. If you want to know what these mean, don't ask me. Ask
That's what
Sam.
Google Translate is for.
Exactly.
Oh my gosh, and then our super cool organizer that's color coordinated. Not
Of
really,
course.
just like to look good.
Wait, what is this on top?
Just like a God sent gift.
Ibuprofen.
Yeah, everyone's savior.
Right.
And oh, what's gonna be right here in this space?
Wait, why is this empty space
I
here,
don't-
Sam?
The futons didn't come in the mail yet. And like, you know, it's just gonna go right there.
Mm.
And then, you know, all this wall space, we're just gonna hang a tapestry.
Lit.
Yup.
We'll give you guys a full dorm tour when we're done.
Yes, it's gonna look so good.
It's gonna look great.
Yeah.
We're so excited.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Signing off from Alicia and Sam. Peace out, guys.
TTYLXOX.